Hurricanes taking on the Panthers down there in Florida. In the first, Hurricanes. Short-handed. That's all right. Elias Lindholm going to feed Sebastian Aho. Aho puts it between the legs of the goaltender 5-0. Tie the game up on the shouting. In the second, Jeff Skinner trailing on the break. Lee Stempniak gets stopped, but Skinner, Johnny on the spot. Get that one back home. Take a look at that. That's just sticking with it. Get that backhander home. Played in the third, game time. Derek Ryan, pass going back to Skinner again. That's the second of the game. That would be the winner for Carolina. They get the win 4-3 against the Panthers.